Hi BWF, I have a brand new rhythm symbol, fruity rhythm symbol to show you today. It's called watermelon, okay? And you're gonna play the watermelon using 4 taps on your Tupperware. For this example, I'm gonna play it in the center of the bucket. I'm gonna play 3 watermelons and 1 plum in the center of the bucket, like this. Watermelon, 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 plum. Notice that on beat 1, I'm playing 4 taps. On beat 2, I'm playing 4 taps again. And on beat 3, I'm playing 4 taps. On the 4th beat, however, I'm only playing 1 long tap. These beats here, in these beats, I should say, we're playing 4 very short taps. Okay, so I'll do it one more time. Watermelon, 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 plum. Now this kind of rhythm can be used in between playing a drum groove. And I'll do that as an example right now. I'll demonstrate it. I'll play a drum groove and then I'll play this rhythm. Watermelon, 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 plum. Watermelon.